What's up, everybody? It's C's Get Degrees here. Today we're going to be looking at Drupal. Drupal is a CMS. It's a little bit more complicated than WordPress and Grav, which we've been working on previously. Today I'm just going to show you how to create content types and then how to add information to those content types and then how to display them. So for this, I guess I'll just demonstrate what I built so far. So if we go here, this is my reflection. It's my opinions on Drupal and why it's best suited for big organizations. And then if we go over here to building list, this is a table with buildings, and it's got title, location, number of rooms, and then when you click on it, it displays a little bit more information. Same deal with course list. We've got title, credits, teacher, and building. Click on it, displays a little bit more information. And then faculty list, we've got name, building, and currently teaching. So we'll click on this. Shows you a little bit more information. And that is that. But today, I'm sure you're more interested in how to actually use Drupal than looking at my site, so we are going to get into that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to structure. And after structure, we're going to go to content types. As you can see, we have what I've made so far. So we have faculty, course, building info. But for this, we're going to create a new content type. And we're going to call this content type, I don't know, teams. Description, we're going to call it sports teams at Penn State. Woo. Teams. Yeah, we don't have to add anything else. Alright, so now we've created the team. We have to add the information that goes inside of it. So, first, I think the most obvious one would be type of sport. This does not need to be big, so we're just going to make it 50. Don't need any help text. That's pretty self-explanatory. Add field again. We're going to make this another just text box, and we're going to do men's or women's. I don't actually know which one's right. We're going to make this 10 because, well, women's is not 10 letters. All right, and then I guess the final field we'll make is another text, and we're just going to varsity or JV. Save and continue. We're going to make this 10 again. Save field settings. Save settings. Alright, so now inside of our team's content type, we have type of sport, men's or women's, varsity or JV. So we're going to go over here to content because we just created the content type. And we are going to click add content. We're going to go to teams. For teams, we're going to say football. The football team is going to beat Michigan, hopefully. Type of sport, football. Men's or women's, men's, varsity. Save it. Alright, and now if we go to our home page, there's going to be this article here, and it's just going to show this. Alright, now say we want football to be its own view, and we don't want it on the home page. How do we do this? All right, well, the first thing that we're going to do is go to structure, and we're going to go down to views. We're going to click add view, view name, teams, show content of type team, create page. We're just going to do an unformatted list, create a menu link. We're going to switch this to main. We're going to click save and edit. Just going to click save. All right, and now if we go over here, we refresh this, well, bam, we got teams. And you can click on the article. All right, so the last order of business here would be to get rid of this football article. We're going to do that by going to content. We're going to click football, and then action, we're going to do remove content from front page. And then we're going to do apply selected items. Go back to the website, we refresh it again, and it's gone, and now it's just the only location for this is inside of this Teams thing that we made. So that wraps up this video on content types and views inside Drupal. Hope you found it informative. This has been C's Get Degrees signing off.